other stocks that are a tad bit soft at the moment. But here's the first take on the opening bell. The last trading day of the week, and not a bad opening at all. The Nifty is up 40 points. The mid-cap index is up about 100 points and the Sensex is up 130 points. Leading from the front is the Bank Nifty, up 100 points straight off the back. Kotak Mahindra Bank is up about 0.6%, followed by a couple of other banking names. You have Asian Paints, Apollo Hospitals, UPL, BPCL that are all trending in the green right now. And Adani Group stocks are doing what they do best, that's rising. Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech from the IT space also looking pretty good. So what's on the downside then? You have Hero MotoCorp that's down 0.3%, so is M&M. Some profit taking there. Tata Steel, Grasim, Sun Pharma and Dr. Reddy's are also a tad bit in the red. Now the market is losing ground, so it is kind of volatile all over the place really for the index. Nykaa in the broader markets is up almost 5-6%, and Nigel will talk about that. But for the headline index, holding steady at around 18,370 with some gyrations, but mild green tick is what we're seeing.
We'll take green for starters. Yesterday we ended at the low point of the day, so a couple of stocks deserve special mention. Vedanta in the next few days, they're going to be meeting to pay dividend. Remember, we told you yesterday that they received dividend from Hindustan Zinc. That's what they'll receive. And normally there's a pass-through clause that comes in there, so their shareholders are hoping that it does happen. NMDC, Kotak note, that's the one that's fueled the stock higher. They believe that things have bottomed out and things will improve from here on, so it explains why the stock is higher. A couple of other names, Nykaa, you had a large trade that took place in pre-open, so that one in fact is spiking up. It's up close to around 5% from yesterday's lows. The stock is up more than 10% actually. Jacket, the JTKET, well, that stock is moving higher as we speak. And HCC as well, there's a debt recast out there. Yesterday, in fact, there was a large trade that took place. In the last few days, there have been a couple of those lenders that have been offloading some of their stake. HCC, so that one in fact opens up with a gain of close to around 3%. It's only a 16 rupee stock, I think. But Hindustan Construction should come up 4% as we see. Prashant, what else?
All right, so it's a good start, right? 45 points on the Nifty. Let me just, by the way, market breadth is overwhelmingly in the green at this point in time. So it's not a problem at all. 3:1 in favor of advances. This is quite different from the kind of open we've seen in the last two sessions when, the market breadth was more in favor of declines. So let me just take a quick look at the other gainers apart from what's already been mentioned. So